All right, y'all. I decided to meal prep for a few days for the family. There's 7 of us here. My son also wanted to meal prep breakfast. He leaves early. He wants to get protein in. So that's me, my son, my husband helped us out as well, where we are prepping different things. You know, when you need to make adjustments in life, like life changes, sometimes you got to go back to the drawing board. And I've never had to meal prep for a few days, but now the way my life is set up, I need to. So that's the bagel that he made. He's going to freeze those bagels. He had 4 of those for breakfast each morning. That's the planner on the fridge. One thing, if you plan ahead, you don't have to really think about what's next. And I'm big on planning. That's dinner. We're doing chicken, corn, rice, carrots with cornbread. And the rest of the food that you're about to see is going to be for the rest of the week. I already have it planned out. And the ground beef, I'm going to make the pasta the day of. For spaghetti, you can't go wrong with spaghetti. And then we have like potatoes, we have shrimp, multi-grain with the shrimp, corn on the cob. I'm going to freeze that. I'm going to bake that the day of. And mac and cheese, I'm going to bake that the day of. And that's how you have your meal prep. So if you're trying to like adjust your schedule and you realize it's not working and you don't feel like doing it, believe me, I would prefer to stay in bed on Sunday and watch football, but I needed to do this. So guess what? I said, let me put the football on in the kitchen and meal prep, and it went really well. I hope this helps.